In this video, we are going to see that if you want to create new folders in order to manage your emails in a better way, like you can see this one right here, or you can see this client practice projects and so on and so forth. So I have custom created these folders, and let's see how we can create these ones. Let's say under the inbox, I want a new folder. I just right click here, click on new folder, and I just write here important emails. Hit enter. Now let's say that I want to shift the individual emails into this folder, whatever I think is important. So let's say that this is important. I like this one. One way of doing this is just drag and drop it in the folder. You will see this kind of icon, this little dotted square. So just drop it and it will immediately show this email right here. Similarly, let's move a couple of more emails. So we have this one, we have this. This is how you can move it. All of these emails are now in the important emails folder. But let's say that I want to select multiple emails here. What we can do is, for example, all the today's emails are important. Just hold the control key and select all of them. Right click and you can move it to the folder of important emails and it will be moved right away. Also, just hold the first one, hold the shift key and just hold the last one. It will select all the emails in between. Let me just show you again. Select the first one, hold the shift key and directly select the last one. It will select all the emails between point A to point B. Right click and click on move to the important emails or whatever folder you have created. Now we can also do this by creating some awesome rules that will move any specific type of email to a specific folder automatically. But that is the part for a later video. But this is how you can create and manage new folders in Outlook. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.